each grade. We're doing a 3D decal wall, and I don't understand what this is just as much as you don't.
Saying no wouldn't make no difference. I make my own rules. I'm putting plastic on walls. This time I ain't on the floor. I hope your partner asking for assistance, putting the towels up. You stumble upon me saying, what the hell? What the hell is this noise? Beyonce saw these on Pinterest and she wants you to do it. Say, why don't you tube it? I don't know about working around the outlet. Get her next time does, she asked in September. Now it's November and she's pissed. When you're talking around the outlets, get a slightly damp sponge, it cleans it like this. This ain't no wouldn't make no difference. I make my own rules. I'm putting plastic on walls. This time I ain't on the floor. This time I ain't on the floor. I'm in the ladders and I'm working the wires. Make sure you turn off the breaker in the box so you're fried. Stay alive now. Unless you wanna take your chances, you leave it to God. Oh, the hardest part is working doorways. Oh, don't forget the thermostat. Just take your time, you got it all day. Oh, you can always run it back, depending on if you're in hallway. Oh, you might wanna start off in the corner next to the doorway. Oh, in the corner by the wall. It don't matter at all. And it wouldn't make no difference. I make my own rules. I'm putting plastic on walls. This time I ain't on the floor. No wouldn't make no difference. I make my own rules. I'm putting plastic on walls. This time I ain't on the floor.